Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting inside the Sharepoint library. Open the site and choose the folder where the document lives. Once selected, click the ellipsis or right-click the file to expose actions. This is faster than navigating menus. Make sure you have edit or contribute rights because sharing options differ otherwise. You're doing this now so you can control access from the source once the menu appears. Pick Share to open the link and permission dialog, and prepare to set link type and expiration. Once the Share dialog is open, you decide who can access the file and why that matters. Pick anyone for public links, people in organization for internal use, or specific people to restrict access. Next, choose View or Edit. Choose Block Download for sensitive files to prevent copies. Make sure to set an expiration date or require sign-in to limit long-term exposure. These controls reduce risk. After adjusting, add recipients and a message so recipients understand the content. You're finishing by sending the link or copying it to paste elsewhere. Choose Send to Email from the dialog or copy link for chat. Once sent, confirm access. Test the link in a private browser to simulate recipient experience and catch permission errors. If the link fails, make sure external sharing is enabled at site and tenant levels, and verify the file's inherited permissions haven't been broken. Finally, adjust link type or re-invite specific people. That usually resolves access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.